So you will always be my queen, no matter the distance. You will always have a place in my heart. I told you, never let it fall apart. Yo, what it do? It's your boy Mtzking, and I'm back on your screen. I'm out here in this damn rain. I got all soaking wet. I'm soaking wet from my shoes, from my pants, here my sweater. This sweater underneath, I don't know how that is wet, but it's wet. And man, this is raining so crazy and it's so cold. And they're still not open here. They open at day for like 7 o'clock. We had to be here early because it's like a first come first serve thing that they see, and since they couldn't give my brother an appointment, so we're just gonna try to walk in. I'm like fuck, but anyway, so I'll catch y'all when I'm inside probably. Chill. Yo, what's up, squad? We're already right here inside the building. Well, we kind of been inside the building already. I had to change socks though, because my suit shoes got all wet, and got this blanket on me because it's freaking cold. Man, we had bought a warmer blanket because of both my brother's blanket. We had his Batman blanket, but it freaking fell. I literally had to go and run and get it. It was a damn mess because it was raining so bad right now. It's kind of stopped, but I hope when we get out of here it's not raining too hard because I'm all soaked, man. I'm gonna have to take a bath when I get home because then today I think I'm taking care of the baby today. I think. But yeah, so I hope everybody has a great Thursday. Stay warm, stay safe, especially if you stay in Dallas or anywhere in the Dallas Fort Worth Metroplex, or even wherever you're at and it's raining or snowing. So I know a lot of people got a lot of snow, and I know people got, rain and stuff. So y'all just be safe out there. And I got bags under my eyes because I haven't got no damn sleep, man. Just when I was getting sleep, my brother went in the room talking about stupid, like Louis, like this dude. But, because if y'all don't know Louis, the baddest perra, he says that. And so my little brother, he's went in the room saying that. I'm like, what the hell, this dude right here? But, anyways, I'll catch y'all in a bit though. Chill. Yeah, what's up? Came out and put in my nose in my mouth. And once I got wet and the blanket. And yeah, I'm in a different outfit. Got my man bun going on. I'm in a different outfit. Got my water. Got the chili. Got the jellies on, you know what I'm saying? I switched my outfit since I got wet, so that's what I'm doing right now. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this up in. I'll catch y'all in a little bit. Chill. Yo, what's up? What it do, squad? I'm just right here chilling. It's already like 9:38. Just finished putting the baby to sleep a little while ago. Right now, my bad. That's probably my mom who y'all heard because she's going. Yeah, she's going to the restroom. But I hope everybody had a great day. I had a rough morning because of the rain and just being up at 5 something and doing all this stuff. So my back is killing me right now, real talk. Got my man bun. I didn't have it this morning, but then I got home, I changed then because I got wet and stuff. So I didn't do my hair then. I couldn't really do my hair. I could have, but I really didn't because like when I put my hats on, I don't like my hairs to be sticking out and stuff. So and that's really hard and shit. So I'm just chilling right now, feeling hot. Even though everybody's saying it's cold, but I feel super hot. My back is hurting so bad. But yeah, really today just went to the hospital with my little brother and stuff. Yeah, sinus thing. That's why it's messing with. It's a big old ball in his nose and especially with his head and causing fever and stuff. So yeah, but I'm just right here. Gonna wait right now when the baby goes. Gonna come home, jump in the shower, take me a hot shower, and yeah. Today will be the last day with my intro. I'm gonna have a new intro, and I'm gonna have a song by my boy Benny Sullivan. I actually got the okay from him himself through Instagram, and he's like, "Go for it, bro." So I said, I wanted to ask him. I just didn't want to do it without his permission, and I was like, I won't get copyright, would I? And he's like, Nah, you shouldn't. You should be good. So I'm trying to pick one of his songs, but I like all his songs, but I'm trying to pick one because of course I can't have all his songs on my intro. And I'm gonna see. I might start it off tomorrow. It might be just like pictures, but just give me a few days and I'm gonna try to work on the actual like intro. But I'm gonna get my bro to try to film it with his iPhone. And yeah, so yeah, tomorrow I will be having a new intro song and a new intro probably with, like I said, just probably with a few pics of mine, or probably even just one pic and just running it down through. Um, and then like I said, probably in a few weeks, I'm gonna like doing a short video of me and getting it. See if I can get my bro to come down here to do it, videotape it, and then I'll just get him to do the video, and then I'll just add the rest of the stuff through my phone. I'll just need him to send me that clip though. Uh, but yeah, just thought I would let y'all know. Uh, but yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, join the team, join the squad. I know a lot of y'all were commenting yesterday, and I appreciate that. I got to comment back to probably like two of y'all, and the rest of y'all didn't get to comment back because then it just disabled my damn comments. But I appreciate that, real talk. Shout out to all of you. Y'all are some real ones. I appreciate the love and support, real talk. And I hope everybody stays warm, especially if you live in Dallas. I hope you stay warm. I mean, like, of course, like, New York, Michigan, all them, cities and, states that be freaking cold. Like, y'all stay warm. I'm saying my city because, man, right now the rain kind of stopped, but the rain's coming back and it's going to be raining all day long tomorrow as well. So, everybody, if you ain't gotta go nowhere, just stay inside and chill, you know what I'm saying? If you have kids, make it a movie night. If you have a boyfriend, fiance, wife, whatever, make it a movie night. And y'all just stay in because it's dangerous to be driving in the roads like that. I could barely breathe. And I appreciate all the support, like I said, and I will most definitely see y'all tomorrow. With that being said, I'm out. Chill.